Welcome to Seeing is Believing, an exclusive Money TV series where we don't just talk about listed companies, we show you what's really happening on the ground. Because at Money TV, we believe seeing is believing. Today, we feature a company that connects India, quite literally. A company powering your calls, your internet, and your 5G experience. Suyog Telematics Limited, listed on both the BSE and NSE.
As of December 15, 2025, Suyog Telematics commands a market capitalization of around 708 crore, trading at approximately 633 per share, with a P/E ratio of about 19.1.
So, what does this company actually do? In simple terms, they make your mobile network work. Whenever you make a call, stream a video, or use Wi-Fi, your connection depends on telecom infrastructure, either wireless, through mobile towers, or wired, through fiber optic cables. Telecom service providers like Airtel, Jio, BSNL, or VI don't usually build every tower themselves. Instead, companies like Suyog Telematics build, own, and operate the tower and fiber infrastructure, then lease it to multiple operators. This is called a shared infrastructure model, which supports efficiency and recurring revenues for Suyog. The company's core offerings include ground-based towers, rooftop towers, cow towers, GBM towers, camouflage towers, CCTV sites, slum segment sites, and small cell towers. These installations are found across both private and government locations, from residential and commercial buildings to highways, flyovers, bus depots, and metro stations. Suyog operates through a structured end-to-end business model. It begins with identifying suitable sites based on network requirements. Next, the company secures long-term lease agreements for those locations. Once finalized, telecom towers are constructed and commissioned for operator use. Through shared infrastructure, multiple telecom operators can connect on a single tower. Its revenue model is based on long-term contracts, typically extending beyond 7 years. And finally, operational growth is achieved by adding more tenants, which enhances network utilization with minimal additional cost. The company provides a facility for interested private parties to lease their property for tower installations through the landlord portal on its website. The portal explains all details and processes related to leasing and tower installation. Today, Suyog Telematics has a pan-India presence with over 5,800 towers and more than 7,100 tenancies. In its next phase, the company plans to deploy 5,000 plus new towers, including macro and small cell sites, during the current and next financial year. This includes 3,000 plus macro tenancies for VI and BSNL's network expansion, along with several specialized urban installations in key cities like Mumbai. The company works with multiple contractors and suppliers in every telecom circle to support deployment, maintenance, and operations. The company's current order book stands at more than 2,000 crore rupees. On the government front, Suyog partners with NHAI, BEST, CPZ, Mumbai Monorail, and others. Company has pan-India master service agreements with all major telecom operators of India, including Airtel, Jio, BSNL, MTNL, and VI.
The company operates from its 30,000 square foot headquarters, Suyog House, located in Mumbai's Andheri area.
All key departments including marketing, accounts, operations and support function from this office under their respective heads, supported by a dedicated team of 450 employees. The company is guided by its visionary leadership team, comprising Mr. Shiv Shankar Lature, co-founder and managing director, Ms. Subhashita Lature, whole-time director, Mrs. Suchitra Lature, non-executive director, and Mr. Ajay Kumar Thakur, independent director. Together, they handle key responsibilities across telecom, management, and marketing, supporting the company's day-to-day functions and future plans. Over the years, Suyog Telematics has earned multiple accolades. Featured among the FT 1000 High Growth Companies Asia Pacific 2018, winner of the Axis Bank India SME 100 Award, and twice listed in Forbes Asia's Best Under a Billion in 2018 and 2020. To dive deeper into Suyog Telematics' vision, execution, and growth roadmap, don't miss our exclusive interview with Mr. Shiv Shankar Lature on KYP, Know Your Promoter, only on Money TV.